Have you ever pondered over the uncanny similarities between the thunderous chords of heavy metal music and the symphonic cadences of classical music? It might seem like an odd comparison, but upon closer inspection, the lines between these two genres blur into a fascinating tapestry of shared musical theory. Each genre in its own right is a powerhouse of musical expression. Metal, with its aggressive guitar riffs and pulsating drum beats, often gets stereotyped as being mindless noise. On the other hand, classical music, with its intricate harmonies and complex structures, is often perceived as a highbrow art form. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find a surprising overlap in their DNA. To understand this connection, one must first dive into the realm of music theory, the backbone of all musical genres. At its core, music theory is the study of the practices and possibilities of music. It's about understanding the language of music, the grammar and syntax of sound. Both metal and classical music are built on the same basic principles of music theory. They rely heavily on the use of scales and modes, with a particular focus on minor scales, which give both genres their characteristic dark and emotive sound. Take, for example, the harmonic minor scale, a staple in both classical and heavy metal music. It's a 7-note scale that's known for its distinctive tense sound. This scale is the foundation of many classical pieces by composers like Mozart and Bach, and it's equally prevalent in the guitar solos of heavy metal bands like Metallica and Iron Maiden. Another commonality lies in the structure and composition of the music. Both genres often employ complex arrangements, layering multiple instruments to create a rich, textured sound. Whether it's the symphony orchestra in classical music or the multi-track recording in heavy metal, both genres showcase a high level of musicianship and a deep understanding of compositional techniques. Classical music and heavy metal share a penchant for storytelling. Be it through the grand operas of Wagner or the concept albums of Dream Theater, both genres use their music to weave intricate narratives, evoking a wide range of emotions in their listeners. To summarize, the link between heavy metal and classical music is far from superficial. It's embedded in the very fabric of their musical structure, from their shared use of scales and modes to their complex compositions and storytelling techniques. So the next time you hear the distorted guitars of a heavy metal song or the soaring melodies of a symphony, remember that they are not worlds apart. In fact, they might be closer than you think. They're two sides of the same musical coin, each echoing the other in their shared pursuit of emotional expression and musical complexity. Music is a universal language, and understanding its shared roots can only enhance our appreciation of its diverse expressions. So whether you're a heavy metalhead or a classical music aficionado, there's a wealth of shared musical heritage waiting to be discovered. The end, it's all about the music. And the music, it seems, is far more interconnected than we may initially perceive. So here's to the harmonious blend of heavy metal and classical music, a testament to the universal language of sound and emotion.